Arguments have raged over its suitability, at a cost to the US taxpayer of more than £14 billion for its task. It was cancelled by one president and reinstated by another. Then, as its nuclear role decreased, it was supposed to be being re-rolled for conventional weapons. But during the Gulf War it did not appear, and missed out on all the practical testing that other weapons systems enjoyed. Lack of preparedness for the conventional role was cited as the reason. But it certainly seems well equipped. 3 internal weapons bays can carry 24 short-range attack missiles or various other free-fall weapons. And it has a unique self-defensive electronic countermeasures system.
Is because of the air pressure flowing over the top of the wing. It's compressing the air because there's so much moisture around. That's basically causing a little cloud. Unprecedented has disappeared up there. So we'll just get the B-1B safely back on the runway.